Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 13th day of the 30-day transformational challenge. I've got a lot of things to do. The weather's gloomy and I hope I can work out today. I must work out today somehow. So let's go see outside how the weather is. So much construction going on here. What you looking at? What you looking at? What you looking at? Are you guarding the house? Tyson, are you guarding the house? Today it hasn't stopped raining since the morning. Everything's wet. Hating it. Are you sure you stay inside? Come inside. And in the forecast it's written that it's gonna rain till 4:30 a.m. 5 a.m. I'm having the bottled coconut water now. Too thirsty. Since I'm not working out, I'll color my hair today. Hair and beard.
Black? No, dark brown.
So guys, I haven't worked out in 2 days, but I'm gonna color my hair now and my beard. My sister's gonna do that for me while Bison is chilling on my bed. So yeah, we're just waiting for the hair color to arrive. The shampoo thing, no? 10 minutes kind of a thing. Dark brown, which is like black. Is that correct, Bison? Do you want a black color? Nice. So guys, let me know in the comments how I look. And Vaishu, how do I look? How do I look? Now camera also not recognize my face. I'm gonna trim more. Trim. And this is the second time I've got my hair colored. Third time. Not first time my beard. With the shampoo thing. So this is the new me, and it's going to be like this because I chop it like it's hot. So no workout today. So I've just worked out twice this week, and I'm hating it. Didn't even go for a run. I went to the track to see, but it was all wet and slippery. So today, so tomorrow I have to go for a run. I have to lift weights. Now I'll have to lift weights on Sunday also, and my flight is Monday morning, and I reach Moscow on 16th 3 p.m. Moscow time. So I have to figure that out. Very disappointed, but now I'm going to drink my protein shake and go for a shower, trim my beard. No, I'll get it trimmed tomorrow and cut my hair also tomorrow. This has to lighten up. This, yeah. And pack also. I haven't packed. I have to do a lot of things. Very busy. Done with the protein shake. I tried this also today. I mean, I usually have this, but not with protein. It's also some protein chips or something baked. Not bad. And today I didn't work out inside also because I didn't want to. I mean, I didn't feel like, because normally back and chest I like going all out. So I just didn't even feel like doing push-ups or pull-ups or anything because of the rain. Very gloomy weather. I hope it's the last rain of September. And yeah. Now I am going to... My hair looks okay. Now I'll go for a shower, and then when I come back, I'm going to eat dinner. And before that will be after dinner is going to be Netflix. Tomorrow I have to wake up early, lot of things, office, samples, to pick up some clothes. I mean, track bottoms are all, my track bottoms are old now, so yeah, I need new ones. Lot of work.
So this is 200-gram tofu with ketchup, rice and dal, potatoes, lots of them, 7 dates and water. Yeah, it's a lot. I think the weight of this plate is at least 2 kgs. Maybe 1.5.
The light's gone. So I think that's all for today. Day 13 of the 30-day transformational challenge. I'll see you in the next one. Good night. Bye.